Hello everyone, welcome back to our Wix Event series, and today we're going to be designing our Wix Event site's contact page. So without further ado, let's get started. By the way, don't be confused about the contact section, which you can find on the footer of our website and the contact page that we're going to work on today. So we're going to go to the Pages and Menu button and select Contact so that the Wix editor will show us the contact page. And this is going to be our contact page. As you can see, we have two sections here. You can choose to edit these sections according to your preference, but in my case, I think I'm just going to delete this section over here. So I'm going to click on it and hit delete because I think we can find the same information over here on our footer. So maybe our footer would be better if we place a contact us text. So I'm just going to move these elements around for a little bit. I'd like to make my social bar bigger, so I'm going to click on it, click on layout, and edit the icon size to be bigger. Perhaps 40 would do. And we're going to move that there. I'm just going to place a text. So I'm going to click on Add Elements here, click on Text, and click on Add Heading too. I'm going to place this somewhere over here. And perhaps we can make the text white so that it would be easier to see. And perhaps we can make it smaller, perhaps about 20 or maybe 25. That should be better. And then for the text here, I'm going to change its text to say, join us now. Okay. So now we're going to continue working on our contact form right here. So this is going to be like the contact information and all the necessary information of our website. Now we're going to work on this section. So for this, I'm going to change it to join the fun. And I'm going to replace this with our logo. So we've previously uploaded our logo. I'm going to click on media. Oh, actually, we only uploaded one version of our logo. I'm going to upload a version of our logo that's visible on darker backgrounds. So I'm going to upload media, click on upload from computer, and I'm going to select this variation of my logo so that it would be visible against our dark background. I'm going to click on add to page. And let's go ahead and resize it to just about the perfect size and place it somewhere over here. First, I'd like to move that out of the way because I want to make sure that this is properly placed. And I'm also going to crop it so that we can remove the extra space it has in order to save some space. And I'm going to reposition this text right there. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding a form. First, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to click on this and hit the delete key on my keyboard. Now we're going to go to the plus button here, and we're going to select Contact and Forms and click on Contact. Or you can choose any other form that you'd like to use here. So maybe I'd like to use the registration form instead, in case they'd like to register. So feel free to select any template that you'd like to use. So say, for example, this one. Just simply drag and drop it to wherever you want to put it and wait for it to finish loading up. Okay, so this is our form. And if you like, you can actually customize your form. Just click on Edit Form, and a new dashboard window will appear. So here on the dashboard window is where you'll get to customize your form however you want to. You can add or remove fields depending on what fields you want to incorporate onto your form. So as for me, I am going to be deleting this position because we're not going to be using this for applications, but rather for registration. So I'm going to leave out first name, last name, email, phone. I'm also going to delete this over here, as well as this one. And I'm going to go to the side panel over here and select other fields that I might want to add. So I'm going to go to buttons, and I'm going to choose the submit button, like that. You can actually customize each field by clicking on it and by customizing it using the side panel here on the right. Maybe we can provide a field for a long answer over here, so we're going to drag it and we're going to replace the field title here with message. And for the placeholder text, I'm going to replace it with type your message here. Once you're done, click on Save, and your form will be, and the changes to your form will be saved. By the way, you can preview your form here on the Preview button, and you can interact with it as if it were alive. You can also go to the Settings tab, where you can change your general settings. And by the way, for the submissions, this is where you'll get to see a detailed table of the responses you receive through the form you created. So since we've already saved our changes to our form, we're going to click on Close now. And there we go. We're going to wait. And as you can see, our form has been changed. If you'd like to edit the layout or the appearance of your form, you can click on Settings, and you can change it however you want to, like that. In my case, I'm removing the fill color or the background color. And there's just one more thing I'd like to change. I would like to change the label right here, which says come work with us. So I'm going to edit this form. And I'm going to change our field title. So I'm going to edit this text and say register. And I'd like to align it to the middle. Click on Save and close this window. There we go. And that's how you add a form, a contact form, to your website or to your web page here on Wix. Once you're done making changes to your web page or website, make sure to click on Save just to make sure that your progress won't be lost. And basically, that's all for now. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.